Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The history of interpreting goes back much further than people often think. Throughout the history, when different language groups met, there were often multilingual people present who could interpret for them. Interpreting was done by both low and high status individuals and was often a part of other professional roles. Some of the earliest reference to interpreting come from ancient Egypt and the Hellenic and Roman periods. Sign language interpreting can also be traced back to the Ottoman Empire in 1600, where deaf individuals were employed in the Sultan court and had sign language interpreters or translators. Understanding the historical context of interpreting can help us better understand current language practice. The article talks about the use of sign language by deaf people in different historical contexts. In the Ottoman Empire, deaf people were employed in various roles, including as executioners and court jesters, and they used sign language called Ottoman court sign to communicate. This language was highly regarded and used by many people at the court. Despite the large number of deaf people present, it is unclear whether it fully fledged sign language developed, but there are accounts of older signers visiting children, which suggests that it may have. The article also mentioned the first record use of signing in a religious context in 16th century England, where a deaf man used signs to express his doubt during his wedding ceremony. In 17th century North America, a deaf man worked with two hearing women to interpret in a religious setting. This shows that sign language has been used in various contexts throughout history, and that is a valuable tool for communication for deaf individuals. Martha's Vineyard, which is an island off the east coast of North America, it has a deaf community that use sign language. This sign language is of equal status to the spoken language, at least within the immediate community. The island has a high occurrence of deafness, so many people in the community know sign language. The article talks about now the community use sign language and spoken language to communicate depending who is present. The article also mentioned that the wives of many deaf Icelanders serve as interpreters for church service, which show that being deaf was not seen as a social stigma. In the US, UK, and Australia, sign language interpreting has become a provision that people can train for. In the past, family members, including non-deaf children or deaf parents, often serve as interpreters in deaf communities. In the UK, a training program for welfare work with deaf people was established in 1129, which included a test for sign language interpreting. This test was also used in Australia. Today, people can receive formal training to become sign language interpreters in their countries. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.